This CHA Spotlight features Chattanooga VIP Tours. Whether you want to have a great time on land or streaming down the Tennessee River on water.
Oh, you didn't mention anything about water, Donna.
I sent you the script.
Check my email.
The Chattanooga VIP Tours were started by two brothers from Chattanooga, Sam and Ryan Tisdale, to highlight Chattanooga's history and its natural beauty. Enjoy the unparalleled views of the Tennessee River on a journey between Lookout Signal and Raccoon Mountain. So whether you're looking for scenic art or if you just want to enjoy the day out on the water, this is the perfect tour just for you.
This is the CHA Spotlight at visitchattanooga.com.